Today we're going to learn about avocado, and A is for avocado. Do you want to spell that with me? A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Avocado. Let's try that one more time. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. You're getting really good at spelling. I love spelling with you. Lots of people think avocado is a vegetable, but it's not. It's actually a fruit, and it's a berry with a big seed on the inside. But unlike other fruits that you eat and mummies and daddies give you, avocado isn't sweet. It tastes savory. And avocados grow on big, tall trees that stay green all year long. Isn't that cool? Where I live, trees change colors all year. But avocado trees, they stay green because they grow in South America, Central America, and Mexico. Do you know where those places are? Avocados have rough, tough outer skin. Sometimes people even call them alligator pears. Isn't that funny? Avocados have fat, protein, and vitamins that make us big and strong. And avocados are special because they're a fruit that also makes oil. Wow. But you have to make sure you eat your avocados fast because if you don't, they'll turn brown. And we don't like that. I like avocados so much. I like them on toast. I like them in guacamole. I like them in smoothies. I love avocados so much, it makes me feel like singing a song. Do you want to sing a song with me? I love singing with you. Are you ready to sing with me? I love singing with you. Let's go. The avocado sat on a wall, on a tree that was very tall. Avocado, 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 avocado. Avocado is a big fruit that looks like a vegetable, but that's not true. Avocado, 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 avocado. Avocado makes us real strong. Eat them real fast, 'cause they don't last long. Avocado, 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 avocado. That was fun. And remember, even if your singing voice isn't real good, you should always sing, because singing makes us happy. Are you excited to try avocado? Tell Mommy and Daddy you are ready to try this delicious fruit. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.